welcome back to DS Beauty Vlogs. I hope you all are doing great. This is my second part of Nykaa haul. So I have already done part 1, which had a lot of products and it was so long. So I decided to do part 2. I actually had a couple of products which just arrived, so I put everything in here. And without further ado, let's get started. The thing I picked up, the first thing I have is from Nykaa. This is a Nykaa hand sanitizer. I have got a big bottle of 500 ml. I actually picked up a couple of products from their Bath and Body range. I've never tried these earlier, but I decided to finally hit the bullet and get the products. So I got 2 body washes from them. I've heard a lot of reviews from vloggers and also people who have used it. So when I was in Nykaa store recently, I sniffed up this body wash. It was pretty good. I thought I'll try it. This is Hawaiian Jasmine, and then I have French Lavender. I'm not into fruity fragrances or other fragrances. I love floral fragrances. Little musky is okay, but again floral should be the top notes. So that's why I picked up lavender is soothing, and also Hawaiian Jasmine. Jasmine, I really like the fragrance. I really like the bottles. They look so pretty, aren't they? They're so cute. I already got a couple of body washes if you've seen part 1, but yeah, it continues here. So I don't know, my never-ending search for the body washes. Again, when I pick body washes, I always prefer to pick either their related products, so to see how it works. Mostly I pick up body lotions, but I already got a couple of body lotions, and also I have an order from Body Shop, so I thought I'll not pick body lotion. I will pick body scrubs rather than. So I got 2 body scrubs with the same variant. So one is Hawaiian Jasmine and then French Lavender. So it's like, I can use in combo. So the body wash and body scrub. I might do a video. Let me know if you're interested to know my thoughts on these range. And then I got the same range of body wash, and I got this face wash, sandalwood and orange peel detanning one, which was very affordable, I guess, or I got it in free, I don't remember. Bath and Body Works had buy 2 get 2 free. It was same on their website and also on Nykaa website. So I don't know, there was an offer where I got 200 off if I purchase on certain amounts. So that's why I picked a couple of products. So the first one is this Ultra Shea body cream, which is Mad About You. I used it, the fragrance, it's really nice. It's not too much floral. It has a little musky, the consistency is too good. Let me show you. So that's the consistency of the body cream. It smells like fruity, floral. I don't like fruity fragrances, but again it's like a whipped cream, which is really nice. So as I was saying in my first part, I love body lotions or body creams which just melts into my skin, where I don't have to put a lot of effort, and this is one such body cream. I really love that. It smells good. It has little musky, floral, little fruity scent. It has blackcurrant, bright peony and vanilla musk. So musky, fruity, floral, everything in combined is in this box or tube. And I wanted to have a body wash, but Bath and Body Works, when I went to the store, I felt they have more fruity fragrances or musky fragrances than floral ones, but it was difficult to find a floral body wash. So I decided to pick up this one. It still has vanilla in it, but it is rose and vanilla. I really like the packaging. How cute is that? I thought a little bit too, little bigger. It is thin, but it's still okay. It is expensive, so it was great pick. I feel buy 2 get 2, where it was like almost 50% off, and then I got 200 discount on top of that. So it's a really good buy. It has rose plus vanilla body wash and foam bath. You can use it as a foaming bath if you have a bathtub, or if otherwise you can just use it as a body wash like I do. Aromatherapy range. I can smell. It smells exactly like rose body wash from Body Shop. It also has little vanilla, but yeah, it's exactly like rose body wash from Body Shop, if you like that. Yeah, I really like the body washes from Body Shop. The rose one, it's good, but again it doesn't, normally if I use other body washes from Body Shop, it actually lasts on my skin a little longer after I take shower, but the rose one never lasts. It fades away quickly, but I don't know, maybe it's rose, that's how it is. But I'm excited to try this one. Picked up home fragrance. This is the new launch, I guess, from Bath and Body Works in India. It's the room fragrance Wallflower. It's in a variant Rainforest Gardenia. I actually picked up the Wallflower Plague. I want to pick up two. I don't know, somehow I missed up. I bought these two and I bought the Wallflower one. So yeah, I mean, I don't have it right now, but I'll put a picture. It's very nice, crystally. I've already opened one of this Gardenia Rainforest one. It's too much powerful, but yeah, I think I've seen videos where they say this bottle lasts you for 2 months. Trust me, I thought it will not last for 2 months, maybe max by 1 month. But when I started using it, you don't need more than a couple of minutes or max to max 5 minutes to use that Wallflower to change the fragrance of your room. I use it for 5 minutes and my room smells very nicely, but it's little overpowering. I actually want floral one. It's floral gardenia. I really love gardenia, but I think this is little more. I feel Bath and Body Works have little more fragrance to them. I don't know, maybe little stronger. But yeah, I bought another variant. I don't know where it is, but I bought Gardenia 2 and then another variant. Actually picked up this rice water bright cleanser. This is a rice cleansing oil. I already used the cleanser of this one. I really like it, so I thought I'll try a cleansing oil. I always do double cleanse in the night. And again, I got the same type of Grit Free, which has a toner, essence, and then serum for white seed. That's from Face Shop. I actually picked up couple of products. This is my go-to. I really want to do a dedicated video, and maybe I'll just try that now. Can you see that gray hair I have, right? I normally color my hair. Usually I used to do it once in a month. I used to use Garnier because I'm very sensitive to cold. I mean, if I use henna, I get cold and I am asthmatic to these products. So doctor recommended not to use those. So I have to go for the coloring products. And I use Garnier for longer time, but I really don't like to use colors on my hair because I know it has chemicals. It's not chemical free. I tried what is that brand? I tried a hair color which I have review on my channel. I know many of them complain that it doesn't last longer. Yes, that's natural. When it is natural, it doesn't last longer. You have to expect that because chemicals make things last longer. But again, there might be like Kama Ayurveda where they have their own color. There is potent and you have to spend money. If you get something for very less price, I feel like the quality is also like that way. I don't say that anything which is lesser in cost is not that great, but when I say of hair colors, that's what I feel because of my experience. So now we are working from home. I stopped using any hair color. If I have to go out for a function, I apply hair color, but again now I restricted myself because it's too much chemical already. As I said, I'm working on getting my hair normal and nice. So I trust by this one. This also has chemicals. I don't say this is chemical free, but again, it's a quick solution where you don't have to actually put hair color for 30 minutes and it goes into your scalp and all those things. It's ready made. It's instant. You just have to spray that and that's done. Oh, it's sealed. I might not use it right now. I have to break the seal. I don't have the scissors, but I was planning to do a dedicated video. That is why I bought this. I already emptied 2 bottles of this. I'll show that in another video, but again, I really trust by this one. It's so easy, so quick. If you're in a hurry, you don't have time to color your hair, you just want to cover those gray hair. Gray hair is also in fashion, but again, yeah, this is in shade dark brown. I don't know, somehow even if I have to use a hair color in black, it doesn't stay longer on my hair, so I always go to dark brown or burgundy shades, and this is in dark brown. It was in offer, so I quickly picked up. And I picked up a skin moisturizer from L'Oreal. I really love this one. I have emptied 2 of these and still I don't know, I somehow like this. This is an Aqua Bomb from L'Oreal. I don't know what's in it, like it's the packaging I love. 5 out of 5, everything. The fragrance, the way it feels on my skin, the way it makes my skin so plumpy the next day, it's so nice. I really love this. It's a grapeseed hydrating aqua bomb from L'Oreal. So I've already done a video, it should be soon on this one, but I really love this. And also I got a L'Oreal day cream for my mom. I think I got this free for Nykaa when I bought all these products. This is a Nykaa Go for Glow Age Rewind face mask. I did not buy it, I'm sure. I never buy face mask like this. Oh, it also has an applicator, which is good. It has a tiny applicator, which is good, silicone applicator, and then you have this. It's a Glam Glow dupe, I guess. Yeah, I have seen reviews by bloggers, but I've never tried it. So yeah, it's free. I'm excited to try this. It says it's age rewind face mask. We'll see how it works. The products from K Beauty. K Beauty has launched their lipstick, and I tried one in Nykaa store. I really like that, the formula. So I thought I'll buy it in offer, and there was some offer like if you buy 700 above you get a lipstick free or eyeshadow stick free. So I added all the products in Nykaa, you know, when I think the day before, and the next day when I want to place an order, I just placed an order randomly. I did not recheck anything because when I was adding all these products in the cart, I did see the free gift, but when I checked out, I noticed there was no free gift. When I reached Nykaa, I said, you know, on your website it still says there is a free offer, you have to get a free product, but in the checkout it did not, you know, apply through. They said the offer was only till stocks are there. And it was limited, but I said, you know, if it is limited, you should not be showing still on your page that it is valid, right? They said there's a delay, it will take some time for the website to be updated, blah blah blah. So I finally did not get the free gift, but that's okay. I still got 20% off on this, I guess. But their highlighter, I'll put very badly broken. I requested for a refund. I still in process. I don't know what will happen. Instead of exchange, I by mistakenly selected refund on the page. So I just packed it again, put it in the box. So if they come and they want to take it back, but it was a great deal. So I also got the HD setting powder. This is in the shade Pecan. It looks good. The packaging is good. It looks nice. I don't know if the shade matches, but it's very good. I've seen Hourglass or Charlotte Tilbury or some brand where they have this kind of, you know, this thing, and yeah, I mean, I don't want to open it now. I'll do my first impressions or do another video for this. I got one lipstick, which is their new launch matte drama lipstick, and it's Grapeseed Oil plus Raspberry. It's in shade Wrap Up. So the packaging is cute. It's magnetic, which is nice for that price, and I think the shade matches here, so it's easy for you to pick up. You also have the shade name here. If you have a couple of shades, it's easy for you to know. I think this is very nice and classy. So that's the shade Wrap Up. I just want to try one shade and see if that works. I think the applicator is so nice. Can you see that? The shade Wrap Up. I really want to try that. Yeah, it's good. I want to try a couple of shades, but I was not sure of the formula and all, because nowadays we wear mask and it's hard and difficult. You remove mask outside, right? So there's not much necessity of applying a lipstick, but again, if I have to apply, it should be matte. So if I go out, if I want to remove somewhere, it should be visible, right? So yeah, I'll see how it works. So those are the two products I got from K Beauty. Coming back to a couple of makeup products which I got this from Innisfree. This is a mascara remover. This is a My Makeup cleanser. I use Clinique makeup remover liquid for my eye makeup and lip makeup. It is really nice and effective. The cleansing balms are always good. I am using Plum, which I'm really in love with. So cleansing balm is always good, but it does not remove that, the waterproof mascara well. Even after using all those things, I still feel there is some residue which is there in my mascara. So I really wanted to get something. When I saw this, I thought, okay, this makes sense because I use a lot of waterproof mascara, and if I really want to remove that, if this works, it will be great. I've seen a couple of reviews before I bought this and it was pretty good. So yeah, this is how the waterproof mascara remover comes in. It's just like mascara. Yeah, it's like the wand. You just have to apply it, and then I think you just have to wipe it off. So I'm excited. If this works, I would really, swear by this mascara remover. So that's something which I got from Innisfree. And I got a couple of products from Nykaa. I think I got this free. I got these. Yeah, I think I got this free also. There was a coupon code I had where I got 1 dupe of free, but I bought this one. Maybe it's a mixed offer, I don't know. But I got these 2 products free. But I'll show you the lip liner. I already have 2 lip liners from Nykaa. I really like the formula and it's really smooth and good. So I thought I'll get this one. This is in shade Barbie Doll 04. Let me open that. See the manufacturing and expiry date. I think they should stamp it on here, but they did not. Normally I appreciate if they actually have the expiry date on the product, so it's easy, because in makeup it's hard to, you don't preserve that cover, right? So it makes sense. It's the shade, it's color coded again. Yeah, that's the shade Barbie Doll. I know it's not that reflective, but I think it will be a very good lip liner, kind of nudie for my skin tone. Yeah, I just have a lip gloss. I've not applied anything. I just was not in a mood of applying. I had a class. Yeah, I mean, it's been a tough year for me. I've been working on so many things. That's the reason, I was unable to spend time to make videos or contribute much. Along with my full-time work, I have classes now every Saturday. Kind of puff free. This is a cushion lipstick. It's in shade You Go Girl. Yeah, it's a free product. It says Nykaa free. Let's see expiry date, because most of the free products, okay, it's still 2022. It's good. Most of the free products when I get from Nykaa, I think either it's like, opened or touched, or it is very, very old inventory. That's when they put a lot of offers. I really don't like that way, but yeah. So this is the shade. I used it once. Yeah, that's the shade, which is good. It took a lot of effort to get the product out initially, but yeah, that's the shade You Go Girl. Yeah, You Go Girl. Yeah, I don't know, I've not heard great reviews about this product, but when it comes free, I thought, why don't I try? And the next one I got free is this one, which is Nykaa Paint Stick in shade Good Girl Nude. That's the shade. I was so skeptical if it will suit me. I thought I could give it to somebody else, but trust me, it turns out to be a different shade. It's not that dark as it shows in this packaging. It's so nice. I really like that shade. I love these kind of shades for day-to-day wear. And I'm happy that at least the free gift came in good color. Wow, as I said, I also ordered hair shampoo and conditioner on their website. Wow had this offer. It was really great deal, so I picked up this one for my husband. It's the Wow Some hair care kit. This is an apple cider vinegar shampoo and coconut and avocado hair conditioner. It's a kit. It's opened. It's in the bathroom. But yeah, I just kept it for this video. So you get this combo. I think it was in a great deal, and Nykaa also had great deals on Wow Skincare. But when I went to their website, I think it's always better if you see some offers on Nykaa. Better check if they have their individual website. That's how I love to pick up. So I saw they have this great kit, which is also in Nykaa, but the deal on the Wow website was more compared to the Nykaa. So I picked this one, the Diwali kit. This says love lively, healthy, radiant skin, follow the beauty regime. I don't remember the cost, but yeah, when I open this, you get this kind of sheet, and then all the products are there. Sadly, one of the stone is broken in this diya. But yeah, you get all these products in this kit, which is really nice. You get a body wash, face serum, face wash, face mask, and then applicator and diya. So I'll show you one by one. This is specially focused on their Uptan range. I actually used their Uptan face wash. I liked it, but the consistent, okay, I think I like Mamaearth Uptan face wash. I liked it, it came in a tube, but I don't know how the consistency, I didn't like that. But this is something Uptan range. Uptan is always something Indian traditional. I really love the range. You can make it at home, but if you don't have time, you can try these products. So this is a Uptan body wash. I already got rose body wash from this variant of vitamin E. I have shown in part 1, but this is what you get in this kit. And then you get an Uptan face wash, which is exciting. I really like if the face washes come in this kind of comfortable or convenient packaging. It's easy to get the product out, right? And this is an Uptan face serum. It helps you anti-tanning, radiant, boosting, rejuvenating. So it's all skin type, made in India, and that's how the serum is. I think this is 30 ml. Then you get a face and body scrub, which is not a big size. I think the full size is big. This is 100 ml. I think the full size is jumbo one. I think I saw in their website. and then you also get a face and body pack, so which is good. I don't you already have a body butter, I think I don't like from this brand, but you get face pack, face scrub and body scrub, and then you get an applicator for these, which is really nice. At this great deal on Dr. Sate's, and I've always wanted to try Dr. Sate's. I think I got some products from my sister which she also liked it. It is specially made for Indian skin tone, skin type, and it is formulated, and it's an Indian brand focused on Indian skincare and the concerns, the environment, pollution, everything. So they had this offer. These are two of them. This is kit actually. So the first kit is Dr. Sate's Indulge gift set. I think this was like 60% off if I'm not wrong. Indulge skincare set. And the second one is Delight gift set. So I've put all the products in this. So in the Delight skin set, what you get is a daily cleanser, toner and repair cream. You get these three products in this kit. Actually I want to get a toner and cleanser. I've always used Pixi glycolic toner. I really love it. I thought I'll try something local. So I want these two products. So in the offer I was getting this also as complimentary for the money, so I thought I'll pick this one. You get a basic cleanser, which is a sample. It's not a sample, it's a full size. They have 50 and 100 ml I guess, and this is a 50 ml product. I think it's good to start with. It is a basic brightening face cleanser. Yeah, that's how it is, and I'm excited to try all these products. And then you also get a glycolic Gulab and glycolic toner, how it is. I will do a dedicated review on all those things once I use it. And then you get a Dr. Sate's antioxidant repair cream. You get cream in both, but the cream is different in both of these kits. So this is antioxidant repair cream. It has vitamin E, wheat oil, lecithin, berry sugars, and it is for hydrating actually. That's again 30 grams of product. I think they have 30 grams only in their cream. And then comes this Indulge gift set, where you get a cleanser, a gentle peel, and then a repair cream, antioxidant repair cream. Same cleanser, I got another 50 ml, and then you get a daily peel. This is something which I was excited to try because I know, and I think Coralista has been raving about it. Ankita from Coralista blog has been using this product and she said it is good, so that's why I picked up. This is an extra gentle daily peel, which is again 50 ml, good size to try on. This cream, which is antioxidant, but this is brightening one. The other one was it's pH balance. This one is vitamin E, wheat. Oh, I think it's same. Okay, both are same creams. The packaging is different, I don't know why. And also I picked up this one from Dr. Sate's. This is a rosehip and retinoid powder, emulsion powder. This is for anti-acne, brightening, anti-aging. Retinoid is something which actually makes your skin feel good. A lot of active benefits. So yeah, excited to try this one. One thing which I picked again from Nykaa, which is an athleisure matte luxe. This is how it is. This is a matte luxe lipsticks from Nykaa. I've never tried it. As you see, it's magnetic. I love magnetic packaging. So this is the shade. So this is the shade. Yeah, it's so nice. Two from Maybelline. I think they were great offer. It's already very reasonably priced. I've never tried this Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte range, so I picked up two shades. Maybelline Line Tattoo High Impact Liner. I don't want to open it because once you open the liner or mascara, the expiry date is only for 6 months. You have to finish it. So I have not opened that. Picked up this from L'Oreal. This has been very raved. I don't know, I've never tried this. So this is an Infallible Pro Matte 16 hours powder. I'm in shade True Beige. So I picked up this one. These two loofahs, one for my sister and one for me from Cub. Next I picked up this Cream Skin Refiner. I have used a sample size earlier when I picked up a Laneige mask. I got this free as sample size and I really fell in love with it. I really could not stay without using this one on my Jimmy is making noises, she's naughty. I picked up a full size of this. I think I got these free with Laneige. These are sample size products, but sample sachets. But I also got this White Dew Skin Refiner and then Water Bank eye gel. I have a couple of eyelashes I've used once last time. I have put a post on Instagram if you've not seen that. I was struggling to have lashes. I used the Nykaa lashes, but it comes with a teeny tiny glue, but it was not that helpful. So I bought this one eyelash adhesive from Eye Waterproof. This is Bronson Professional. I think by mistake I got two of these if I'm not wrong. Another one should be somewhere here. Yeah, I got two of these. Yeah, these are Bronson Dark Tone. I don't know, by mistake I got two of them. I'm eyeing this brand for a long time. I don't know, this look and feels like Forest Essential to me. Expensive, it's not that reasonable, but I waited for a great offer. I was eyeing this from 1 year, and now it's in 60 or 65% offer. The reviews were not that great, but I wanted to try their body butter from Sova Shea Butter and Kumari body lotion. It smells okay, it smells good. I don't know how long lasting it is because I've read reviews where people say it doesn't last much on your skin. But I don't know, somehow I have been eyeing this for a long time. When it was in great deal, I thought I'll pick that one. And then I got this chamomile and narangi Coorg body wash. Narangi is something which I really love the fragrance of. I don't know, the packaging also resembles more of body Forest Essential. I mean, let me know if you feel that way. Just if the packaging is different, the name is different, I would trust this as body, Forest Essential. So that's the body wash from this brand. This Air Fresh finishing loose powder. Charlotte Tilbury has launched on Nykaa and they're famous for the airbrush finishing powder, but I want to try Color Bar in their version because Charlotte Tilbury is too much expensive. This is in shade Beige Classic, and yeah, that's the sifter there. I have not tried it, but I'll try and see if that is. I have teeny tiny size sample from Charlotte Tilbury. So I'll see if they both are, at least this is dupe of that, so I can recommend to you guys. And then I picked up this eyeliner and eyeshadow. This one is a magical double duty eyeliner and eyeshadow in this shade. It's sealed, I don't want to open, but it says you get a free brush inside, which is not of that great use to me. And I got something from Smashbox. Yeah, I mean, Malvika is another blogger where I follow her, and I really like her flawless looks which she makes. And there was this kit on Nykaa which says always on Mini Matte Duo Smashbox x Malvika. You get two mini shades. One is driver seat, which is warm pink, and then babe alert. Two shades you get in this kit. I might do a separate video, so I'm not swatching it here. And that's the one I picked up from Smashbox. And this is a mini always on gel liner. I got this free, which is Vitamin Glow. I think I got these two free. Mini lipstick free. Last luxury products which I wanted from is Too Faced. Too Faced, this powder I have been wanting to get from long time, and it was in great offer, and the expiry date is within 2021. I thought I'll use this up. So this is in shade Warm Sand, and I already have the foundation or loose powder from this. I wanted a compact one. I don't know, I am into compact powders rather than loose powders. So yeah, this packaging is very similar to other their Born This Way foundation. Size mirror here, and then that's the shade. I was little upset when you spend so much of money and you get a product which was manufactured in 2019. I actually want to reach out. I wanted to reach out to Nykaa, but I saw the import date was October 2020, and so they imported at that point of time. And again, it was clearly mentioned in their website about the expiry date, so I cannot go back to them. But yeah, still I think I'll use it up because I love pressed powders. I have to get another product to qualify for this offer, so I picked up this one. I already have the Born Better Than Sex mascara, but I heard a lot about this Better Than Sex eyeliner. It was a combo where you save a lot of money, I think. Yeah, that's why I picked up. So you get these two products. I don't want to open, as I said, if you open eye products, you have to use within 6 months, especially mascara and eyeliner. So you get this eyeliner and this mascara. It's so heavy, and I've heard so many reviews about these products. I already have Better Than Sex mascara in mini size, which I really like, so I thought I'll invest in a full size. And I got two gifts from Too Faced. So one is this fan. This Too Faced here, which is so nice. This as free. You have a lipstick and balm set. I really like this lip balm. I have a couple of mini sizes of this which I got in my Sephora kits, and I really love this one. This fragrance of this is peachy. If you don't like fruity fragrances on lip balms, then you must avoid it. I don't know, I'm not a fruity person, but this smell is so nice. I love peaches and I really love the fragrance of peaches too. And then you get this small lipstick in shade Sex on the Peach. That's how it looks. I think I already have this mini size. Same kit I got free in Sephora, so I'll not open this lipstick or swatch it. I might put it in a giveaway. By Nykaa, this is a nail remover. I really already have one. I really love that. It's so quick, so easy to remove your hassle free. So I got this from my sister. Then I got this one from PAC. I heard a lot of reviews about this eye pencil. This is actually an eye pencil which is nude color. It comes really in this cute packaging. It's not that expensive actually. It was really nice, yeah, it's so nice feeling. And you also have the smudger here. This is in shade Skin. This is a coal eye pencil. I want to use it so it actually pops up your eye if you use any nude or white base. So I want to try this and see how it works. Never tried this, so I like the packaging. I think if you're traveling, you can put your lip liners in here. The last thing I picked up from Nykaa is this Tangle Tweezer. This is the box I got in. So I have heard a lot of reviews about Tangle Tweezer. It is expensive. Nykaa had an offer of some discount, and then you get this free product which is Invisible. You get 3 bands from this brand. So I was not sure if I have to invest on this tool. I mean, I have a lot of frizziness and I'm very scared to remove those frizziness every day because I was losing a lot of hair and I was so frustrated, and I just bun my hair up when I'm at home and working from home. If I have to go on video conferences, there's no other option. But I think I tried this today for the first time in the morning. I was so happy with this product. I was like, oh my god, why did not I get this long back? I always had this in my wish list in Nykaa, but finally I would the billet and then I got this one. So it also, I mean, you also get the one without this cap, but I wanted this cap if I have to travel sometime or keep this in my shelf. I don't want it to get damaged or change its form. It's not that clean because I already used it. You have this one where you can close this one, but trust me, pain-free, you will not even believe. It's so nice. I used it also now, and it makes your hair so smooth and so nice. I mean, you can see, right? I just used it and it's a little frizzy, so it's so nice. I really love this. I'll use it every day. So with that, I got these Invisible rubber bands free. They say it doesn't tangle in True Black. Well, these were the things I got from Nykaa. This is one which I got, Glam Glow Moisturizer, and then I got Nude Sticks Magnetic Lip Blush Lip Color, and I got this one. I always wanted this from Too Faced. It's so expensive in India, and there was this offer, and I think I got this for like 60 or 70% off. It was so great deal, and it smells of peaches. Oh, it's too strong. So it smells of peaches, and these are the shades you get. This is the face palette. You get all infused with peach and sweet fig milk. You can use it as blush, highlighter, bronzer. Huge part 2 haul. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.